Welcome back, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install YouTube Kids on your Onn Google TV streaming box. So the first step is to navigate to the apps section, and then you want to come to this search bar and you want to either use voice control or your on-screen keyboard to search for YouTube Kids. So let me use voice control. YouTube Kids.
Here's YouTube Kids for Android TV on the Google Play Store.
So you can see it's already brought up the page for YouTube Kids. So I can just select install and simply wait for it to be added onto my streaming box. So once it's finished installing, you can choose to launch it from here, or you can go back to the app screen, look for YouTube Kids that you've just installed right now. So you should see it listed there, select it, and then set up YouTube Kids for your child. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.